In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your router when it's not connecting to the internet with some simple troubleshooting steps. First, check the basics. Make sure your router is plugged into power and turned on. Confirm that the modem, if separate, is also powered on and connected to the router properly using an Ethernet cable. Next, inspect all cables. Loose, damaged, or unplugged Ethernet and coaxial cables are common reasons for connection issues. Secure all connections and replace any damaged cables. Restart both your modem and router. Unplug them from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first. Wait for it to fully start, then plug in the router. Give them a few minutes to connect. If your router still isn't connecting, check if there's an outage in your area. Visit your internet provider's website or use their app for outage updates. Make sure your router's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause connection problems. Log in to your router's admin page via its IP address and look for updates. Also, verify your router's settings. Incorrect DNS, IP, or security settings can block internet access. Resetting your router to factory defaults can help if you're unsure. If you use a separate firewall or security software, temporarily disable it to see if it's blocking the connection. Finally, try connecting a device directly to the modem with an Ethernet cable. If that works, the problem is likely with your router. If none of these steps fix the issue, contact your internet service provider for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.